All right, today on this video, I'm going to be reconnecting the hose bib to my main water line. You see I had to move it over here for my duct work. Also got a little product review from the the Pex-A crimping tool manual. Good, cheap, don't have to buy the $500 tool. So let's go. All right, with any water thing, you definitely want to make sure you drain your line. Because if we cut this, it'd be like Old Faithful, and that could be an issue. But I think I got it all drained. I'm going to use the tool that comes with the kit. Cross your fingers, we don't get soaked. I tell you what, I got pretty lucky here that I had the bucket because there was water in there. So always be ready for a little excess when you do open your pipe. Basically, you're going to come to here. This is where you want your gap. So let's break down this tool. This is It's a Pex-A Expander manual tool. As you can see, as you pump it, it does rotate just like the power expander would do. It's pretty smooth, nice mechanics, not too hard. I did earlier, I was doing the 1-inch, and I mean it takes a little gusto, a little elbow grease, but comes with this nifty little cutter tool that I showed you before. More importantly, it comes with all the sizes you would need. You got your 1-inch, 1/2 inch, and 3/8, plus 3/4, which you would use for most of your water lines. They also made this little tool if you had a little boo-boo, a little mistake. You just cut the old fitting off, put a new one on, good to go. Thank you, for sending me this so I can give it a try. Solid tool, would recommend. Go get it now in the link below. Alright, let's put this bad boy in action. Here's that 1-inch. It takes a little bit of might, but again, this is the biggest size. Then you just slide your fitting in. Do a little repeat here. Get the hang of it. Goes pretty quick. Gotta love the Pex though. Very homeowner friendly, little DIY. Now that you got your mark, let's do a little better example of this tool. Take the blade, line it up with your mark, and just rotate. Pretty simple there. Nice straight cut. Nice little tool. Let's finish this up by adding the 3/4. Ready, press that guy on. Now I will say the DeWalt is easier because you just push a button. But again, 3-4 times the price. This is perfect for your homeowner at $135. You don't have to worry about soldering. I mean, anybody could do plumbing with this thing. Put the coupling on, expand it, stick the tube on, good to go. No leaks. All right, we got the water back on. Hose is good to go. Huge shout out to I'll have the link in the description. Get 10% off. I believe it's 135 bucks. The power one from DeWalt, I believe is 450, 500. I'll put it somewhere graphic. And job done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit that like button, and ring the bell. Ding.